If you're looking for a luxury home in Naperville and prefer to be on the north side, but already seen a lot of those European styles and that modern farmhouse style just isn't doing it for you, maybe you prefer something a little old, say maybe 115 years old, that has a beautiful history to it. Not to mention a great location and plenty of space for everybody with lots of light pouring through every single room in this house. Well, you're going to want to take a look at this home on Bauer Road. So welcome on in and take a look at 26w018 Bauer Road. Now, one of the unique things about this home is the fact that it was built in 1907 as a wedding gift. So some really interesting facts there. But the home itself, which was originally about 1,600 square feet, had been added to it by the current owners in '98. This home now has over 6,500 square feet. So there is not a space in this home that you can't find for whatever activity you want, whether it's family gatherings, running a small business, playing basketball, yeah, that too. Now this large kitchen is perfectly equipped with plenty of counter space, whether you're catering your own next party or cooking a massive amount of cookies for the entire family. But on top of that, it really lends itself to a nice relaxing spot to create a meal, as you do have your own pond just outside those windows, creating a beautiful view for you to relax, whether you're in the kitchen, and of course you can definitely take advantage of that view outside as well. Now, if you're the kind of person that really likes to wake up in the morning nice and refreshed, full of energy, and get out there and attack the day, this master suite is definitely for you. You have lots of light pouring in on all three sides of this bedroom. Of course, you have a nice fireplace for those cool afternoons that you want to just cuddle up in your own space. But if there's a better place to enjoy your morning cup of coffee, I don't know, because this master suite also has its own personal deck right outside. So a beautiful porch overlooking the lake, perfect way to start your day. Now, of course, no one else is going to feel left out because each of the bedrooms have their own porch. That's right, everyone has their own unique space, and the bedrooms themselves just have their nice little quirks in each little corner that makes you want to explore and really appreciate every inch of those bedrooms. Now, the rest of this house has beautiful features. Of course, you have your own space, but when it comes down to celebrating and really getting everybody out, take a look at this grand great room. Now, this great room is a perfect place to hold any event. There's no family too small, too big that can't fit in here. You can have room for everybody. And of course, if you need even more space, right above me, there's a loft on your third floor. So if you want to personally explore this space, come on out on September 19th, Sunday from 1 to 3, as we're going to be having an open house. You'll really get a chance to appreciate all this home has to offer. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller Williams. Thanks for watching. Bye.